Welcome to the world of online success. If you dream of going viral on platforms like Instagram or YouTube, now is the time to take action. The niche I'm about to unveil is still untapped, offering you a golden opportunity to make your mark before it becomes saturated. Stick around until the end of this video, and I'll reveal a secret that many big YouTubers are keeping under wraps. A simple method that propelled me to gain 4,500 subscribers in just 2 weeks. Now, let's dive into the process. The niche I'm introducing you to is known as dark psychology. To illustrate, let me share an example of a no-face content channel within this niche. Despite having only 64 brief videos, this channel boasts an impressive 522,000 subscribers and is successfully monetized. Now, let's take a closer look at the massive impact this niche is making. Numerous channels within the dark psychology facts niche are not only gaining substantial subscribers, but also amassing millions of views. Here's a snapshot of several channels dedicated to delivering well-researched information on psychology to the world. In particular, consider this channel, which has produced only 155 concise videos. Despite its relatively small video count, it has accumulated an impressive 198,000 subscribers and is successfully monetized. This showcases the vast potential within the psychology niche, where quality content can attract a substantial audience and make money with a faceless YouTube channel. Now let's shine a light on a channel that dives into the intriguing world of dark psychology and manipulation tactics. Despite having just 128 videos, this channel has amassed about 75,000 subscribers and is earning money through monetization. What's even more impressive is the thousands of views that each of its videos rakes in. This channel provides insights into dark psychology and manipulation techniques. Despite having only 292 videos, it boasts a substantial 843,000 subscribers and is monetized. The videos on this channel consistently garner millions of views. These channels aren't just racking up millions of views, they're also pulling in millions of dollars. Take this channel for instance, created in July 2023. Social Blade estimates it earns $1,200 daily and $19,000 monthly. Now consider another channel created in June 2023, earning $981 daily and $15,000 monthly, according to Social Blade. Now consider this channel created in January 2023. Social Blade indicates it earns $763 daily and $12,000 monthly. This YouTube channel idea without showing your face is also raking in significant earnings in dollars. By now, you can see the immense value in this niche. I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to create similar videos using AI. Very first of all, we need a name for this channel. ChatGPT is good for a fast content creation platform. Let's ask. Give me 10 name ideas for a dark psychology YouTube channel. As you can see here, we have some amazing name ideas. I like this one, which is Mind Mastery Insights. I'm gonna select it. Now we need a logo and a banner for our channel. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. Introducing a user-friendly AI for creating art akin to Midjourney, and best of all, it's completely free. Take a look at the screen. We have a variety of images. Pick one, click on Generate with this model, and voila! Next, choose an appropriate size from the side menu. Decide on the number of generations, and just enter your prompt. It's that simple. Afterward, press the Generate button. Following this process, you can craft a unique logo for your channel. Experiment with various characteristics to explore diverse logo concepts. If the initial results aren't to your liking, feel free to alter the prompt and give it another shot. Ensure you choose an engaging image to enhance the creative outcome. Now, let's move on to designing a banner. Head over to Canva for this task. If you don't already have an account, you can easily sign up for free. Navigate to the Create Design section and opt for the YouTube banner template. Aim for a design that is both simple and clean. Explore the various templates available in the side menu. Pick one that aligns with your niche and then customize it accordingly. I've chosen this template. To customize it, let's remove unnecessary elements. Change the title to Dark Psychology is Mind Mastery Insights. Now add a new background image. Head to Elements in the side menu and select a light background. To complete the banner, generate a tagline using ChatGPT. Simply input your channel name and ask ChatGPT for a tagline. Copy and paste the generated tagline beneath the channel name on the banner. This setup appears visually appealing and should suffice. Feel free to choose any options that best suit your preferences. Now let's proceed to download the customized banner. Content creation tips. Moving on to the next step, creating videos. Here's the script creation process. Start by searching for articles about dark psychology using Google. Once you find a relevant article, copy the desired section. Now, let's involve ChatGPT to make slight modifications to the copied text, ensuring we avoid any potential copyright issues. Just ask ChatGPT to rewrite the selected paragraph, and within a few seconds you'll have a modified version to use without any concerns about copyright issues. Now let's move on to creating voiceovers. Utilize 11 Labs for this task. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. Once registered, choose an appropriate AI voice from the available options. For a more impactful effect, I recommend selecting a deeper voice. After choosing the preferred voice on 11 Labs, paste the script generated by ChatGPT and click Generate. Your voiceover will be ready within seconds. Now that we've completed the voiceovers, the next step is to find suitable images for our video backgrounds. Continuing with our visual elements, let's leverage Leonardo AI once more. Choose an appropriate model and use the same prompt as before. Ensure that the selected images align with the script, focusing on themes related to dark psychology, manipulation, and other ominous elements. If you desire varied results, feel free to modify the prompt accordingly. Input your topic prompt and obtain the desired imagery. Great progress! Now for your sample, generate 8 images along with a paragraph for the tutorial video. Once generated, download the images that resonate with your preferences. With all the necessary elements in place, we can proceed to craft our video. I recommend using CapCut for video editing. It's user-friendly, free, and compatible with both mobile and computer platforms. Simply download the software to get started on your video creation journey. Let's kick off the video editing process. Start a new project on CapCut and click the Modify button. Adjust the project name and settings, opting for a suitable size with a 9:16 ratio ideal for short videos. Next, import all the voiceovers and images. Begin by dragging the voiceovers onto the timeline. Overlay the images on top, adjusting their size to fit the video dimensions. You can arrange the images sequentially to enhance content quality. Take the time to individually adjust the size of each image for optimal screen presentation. Once all the images are in place, it's time to add some flair with transitions. Head to the Transition section in the top menu and choose from a variety of suitable transitions. For an added touch, consider using the glitch transition or any other effect that complements your content. Perfect. Now let's seamlessly link all your images with transitions. Add transitions between each image for a smooth flow. To enhance your video further, explore the video effects available. Navigate to the Effects section in the top menu and experiment with various options. With hundreds of effects at your disposal, you can play around to make your video more engaging. Since your images are static, incorporating different video effects will provide a dynamic and captivating experience for your viewers. Don't hesitate to experiment and add multiple effects for an interesting and visually appealing edit. Now, let's add captions to your video using CapCut's Auto Caption feature. Head to the Text section, choose Auto Captions, select English as the language, and generate the captions. Once generated, you can edit them according to your preferences. To enhance visibility, consider increasing the text size and experimenting with different fonts. For an appealing look, I suggest using bold fonts and selecting simple, contrasting colors. If you notice that words are wrapped to the second line and you prefer them on a single line, go to the Captions tab. Adjust the line breaks to keep the text concise and visually pleasing. If the text appears a bit small, make sure to resize it for optimal readability. Great job on increasing the text size. Take another look to ensure everything meets your satisfaction. Now, let's add some text animations to enhance the visual appeal. Navigate to the animation section in the side menu and choose a simple animation. Before applying the animations, make sure to select all the captions. This way, the animations will be added simultaneously. If you skip this step, you'll need to add animations to each text layer individually or use the Shift button to select multiple layers. Once all the captions are selected, apply the chosen animation. If there are specific images you want to remain static, add animations to the remaining images one by one. This will give your video a dynamic and engaging touch. To add a final touch to your video, let's incorporate some background music. Head to pixabay.com, a free resource for music and sounds. Download a suitable background track and add it to your timeline. Ensure to adjust the music volume to achieve the right balance. With the addition of background music, your video is now complete. You can proceed to export the video from CapCut and initiate the uploading process to your channel. Congratulations on successfully creating your engaging and visually appealing content. How to create a faceless YouTube channel? Certainly. Here are some pro tips to boost your success on YouTube viral video method. Consistent uploads. Aim to upload at least 3 to 5 videos daily. For a mix of content, consider 1 long video and 3 short videos each day. Initial video strategy. If focusing on long videos, start with 1 long video and 3 short videos daily. For YouTube Shorts, only content, upload 4 short videos daily. Preparation is key. To ensure a strong start, create a buffer of content before launching your channel. Aim for at least 50 short or 25 long videos. Consistency wins. Consistency is crucial for success on YouTube. Stick to your upload schedule to build a reliable audience. Secret for more views. To boost views and impressions, engage with your audience. Encourage likes, comments, and shares. Utilize keywords and tags strategically and stay informed about YouTube's algorithms for better visibility. By following these strategies, many creators have built successful channels, earning substantial incomes. Remember, consistency and thoughtful content planning are key elements for achieving success on YouTube. Best of luck with your channel. Boost your results by adopting a simple yet effective strategy. Identify competitors with more views than your channel and incorporate their keywords into your videos. This method can significantly enhance your video visibility and attract a broader audience. If you're interested, I can create an in-depth tutorial on finding trending topics and maximizing views for YouTube beginners. Additionally, for guidance on creating a channel, selecting a brand name, and optimizing SEO elements such as titles, tags, hashtags, and descriptions, refer to my video where I provide detailed insights. Feel free to request more tutorials and I'll be happy to assist you. Here is the final video.
If you're seeking assistance with moving items into your home, employing expressions of warmth and kindness can create a positive atmosphere, increasing the likelihood that others will willingly lend a hand. On the flip side, a manipulative individual might exploit these same tactics to foster a sense of attachment, subsequently persuading the other person to engage in actions they might otherwise resist.
If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to receive timely updates on upcoming videos. Your support is greatly appreciated. If you're interested in how to create lofi beats, music, hip-hop songs for a faceless, monetizable YouTube channel with AI, click on the left. If you want to watch Stop Using 11 Labs, Best Free 11 Labs Alternative Text-to-Speech, click on the right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.